Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Google Assistant on any Android phone. Simply go on Google, tap on your Google profile, simply scroll down, go in settings, go in Google Assistant, simply scroll down, tap on Hey Google and voice match. Simply enable Hey Google, simply scroll down, tap on more, I agree. Now say Hey Google, tap on more, I agree. Simply tap on next. Now my Hey Google is set up. Let's check it out. Hey Google, as you can see it is not working currently. To fix this, go in retain voice match model. Say hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. As you can see, my Hey Google is ready. Now simply tap on next. Hey Google, set the timer for 10 minutes.
Alright, you've got a 10-minute timer.
As you can see, 10-minute timer is set up. So this is how you can set up Google Assistant on any Android phone. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information like this.